LingoWorld Translation and Interpretation Services. Private Limited excels in helping clients communicate across borders. However, LingoWorld faced significant network security challenges that threatened their operations and client trust. Indian Cybersecurity Solutions stepped in with a team of certified experts. They conducted a comprehensive 4-stage white box network audit in just 5 days. This audit identified vulnerabilities, mitigated risks, and implemented advanced security measures. Customized reports, technical insights, and an Excel tracker were provided, enabling LingoWorld to effectively monitor their system. As a result, LingoWorld is now more secure and efficient. Thanks to Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, LingoWorld is ready for the future. Protect your business today with expert-driven cybersecurity solutions.